Ciao ragazzi, I'm Roberta from Pasta Evangelists, and today a few tips on how to get the delicious sauce out of the packet. So, what we need to do, first of all, we need to push the sauce and to leave just a little bit of space to open the bag. Now, you can use a scissors or you can use a very sharp knife to open the bag. And then you can pour the sauce into the pan. If you have any leftover sauce into the bag, probably it's better to use a butter knife to just squeeze all the sauce out and leave a completely empty bag. And here we go. We have removed all the sauce from the package. Now you just need to warm up, cook your pasta, and buon appetito.